After teaching for 10 years at the world's best tech bootcamps, I've noticed these three things that the most successful people did. They scheduled regular check-ins with their instructors or their mentors or their career coaches. They didn't do it alone. They kept a diary or a journal of daily reflections and notes. So at the end of the day, they would write down, what did I learn? What went well? What am I still curious about? And they would use that diary as a revision. They would use that diary in regular check-ins with their mentor, their instructor, their careers person, and they would build out talking points. The other good thing about that was the notes and the reflections in that journal and diary were also used for their personal content strategy. So you could write a LinkedIn post one a day, or you could use it on your portfolio as a bit of a story. They built relationships very early, whether it was with the instructor, with a mentor, with other students, with people in the industry, hiring managers, tech recruiters, etc. They planted the seed very early. What I noticed from my perspective is that these were the type of people who were really committed. They weren't sitting back and waiting for it to come to them. The other thing, and I say this respectfully, they're not necessarily the people with the best portfolios. They came across as being the most active or the most committed or the most who are willing to learn.